Are you over 50 and looking for a natural way to improve your health? Look no further than apple cider vinegar. In this video, we'll explore the many benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar for people over 50. As we age, our bodies can become more susceptible to certain health conditions, such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and arthritis. But studies have shown that drinking apple cider vinegar can help improve these conditions and more. Apple cider vinegar can help regulate blood sugar levels, which is especially important for people with diabetes. It can also lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, apple cider vinegar has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate pain and stiffness associated with arthritis. Other potential benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar include improved digestion, increased energy levels, and improved skin health. So, if you're over 50 and looking for a natural way to improve your health, consider adding apple cider vinegar to your diet. As always, be sure to consult with your doctor before making any changes to your diet or health routine. We hope this video has convinced you to give apple cider vinegar a try. If you want more information about apple cider vinegar, read the description down below or watch this next video.